can't walk into a store or a coffee shop without someone saying, this is the worst October on record, or I don't remember it being this wet. You know, it's an entryway into conversation. So the previous record was about 10 inches in 1950. Normally we'd see about 3 inches and we're at 11 and the month isn't even over. So we've had a few Pineapple Express or atmospheric river events, these warm, very wet storms that come in and act like a fire hose and just dump water over us. Frankly, we're moving into the wet season. It's October, and while this is a lot of rain for October, November is usually our wettest or our second wettest month. So we're moving quickly into when we would expect this sort of thing. One of the things we were concerned about was all the leaves on the trees and those falling off, storm drains getting blocked. We need the water to rush into those drains, but our rivers were ready for a little bit of a recharge, our soils were dry. So luckily we had some space and we didn't see a ton of flooding with all this rain. The interesting thing is in temperature, and this is the thing that hurt us in 2015. We had normal precip, but it was so warm the snow didn't accumulate in the mountains. We want snow to fall up there so that we have adequate water supply next spring and summer. Everybody asks the precipitation question, but I think we also need to keep an eye on the seasonal temperature. We are Oregonians. A downpour isn't going to stop us from going to a football game. But again, you just need to be vigilant about securing your property, being prepared for power outages and flooding, and anything that may come with these big rain and windstorms. While we live in a place that gets a lot of rain, the way it comes and how it gets here and what it does is a really cool thing to study.